Hey guys, it's your girl Designisme. Welcome back to Designisme Daily, where we design our own clothes, we design our own business, and we design our own lives. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how super simple and easy it is to create these thumbhole cuffs. This is a trend that has been around for a pretty good while now, and a lot of you guys has been, just sending me this particular look and requesting that I do a tutorial video on this look. Alright, I apologize for my really jacked up eyeliner. That is because I just went out, I came back, I already took off my lashes, so everything is a little bit haywire. No worries. Alright, I just knew I had to film this intro for you guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So it's always a really good idea to start with a pattern. This is the SL Basic thumbhole cuff pattern that we created ourselves, and it measures 11 inches long by 8 inches in width. We also went ahead and put some notches along our paper. The first notch measures 2 inches away from the edge of the paper, and the second notch measures 1.5 inches away from the first notch. Go ahead and mirror that to the other side of the paper, and mirror those 4 notches to the other side of the paper. Once you have a perfect pattern to work with, go ahead and use your pattern to cut out your fabric, making sure to transfer those notches accurately onto your fabric pieces. And of course, you are supposed to have 2 pieces of fabric in front of you because it's 2 cuffs and it's 2 sleeves. Once you have those pieces ready to go ahead and take it over to your sewing machine. And we always begin construction with 1 piece at a time. So go ahead and lay that first cuff down. You're going to fold it in half, making sure to line up our notches perfectly. And we're going to place a pin, securing our 2 middle notches together. We are now going to sew from one pin to the other, securing our 2 layers of fabric together, and we are using either 3/8 of an inch or a 1/2 inch seam stitch for this seam. Once you're satisfied with the stitch that you just dropped between both notches, go ahead and lay your fabric like so, fold back one edge like so, and then fold back the other edge like so. Go ahead and grab those 2 notches, place them together. Make sure that nothing else is in the way. You can use a pin just as a marker and to kind of keep the under fabric away from your sewing needle. And we're just going to stitch between those 2 pins. Once you are satisfied with the stitch that you would have just stitched, go ahead and do that exact same thing to the other side, making sure to not catch any of the unwanted fabric into our stitches. It's very important, guys. Just take your time, make sure nothing is in the way. Use your pin as markers. No matter how much of a pro you are, use your pins as markers because you just never know. And when it comes to knit fabrics, guys, you really don't want to be stitching and ripping and stitching because you're going to end up with some holes. Alright, so just take your time, use your pins, and do what I do. Once that is done, go ahead and flip your cuff over the way I'm flipping the cuff over. And we're almost at the end. We are now going to seal off the rest of our cuff, making sure to line up notch on notch, right sides facing each other. Go ahead and grab a pin, and we're going to stitch from that notch to the end of our fabric. Make sure that your stitches are consistent, guys. All the stitch lines should connect in one way, even though we are stitching these parts separately. Alright, so exactly what we just did, we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side, right sides facing each other. Go ahead and pin, and we're going to drop another stitch all the way from that pin to the edge of the fabric. I know because the fabric is black, it's a little bit difficult to see, but you guys just bear with me. Fantastic. There you have it, guys. That is literally how we make our cuffs. And you could attach this to anything that you feel like. Now, because these measurements were 11 inches long by 8 inches in width, this cuff is a little bit loose. I wouldn't say loose, but it's just really, really comfortable. So I would say these measurements give you between a small medium and a medium size cuff. You could always adjust the measurements if you want to size down or size up. I recommend going with 11 inches long by 6 inches in width if you want a size small or extra small cuff, which is what I am trying on right now. So you'll definitely see the difference. Alright guys, can you tell the difference? It's a lot more snug. Still comfortable because the fabric is stretched, but that is basically it. I went ahead and attached my cuffs to a sleeve on one of our SL Basics dresses, and there you have it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you all enjoy videos like these and you want to see more videos like these, do not forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!